Enjoy the views.
Thank you. The views, the G-forces, the whatever else. The old car. I like the little lights just strung along. Some of them are wrapped around the supports, but some are just laid down inside of the track. Just some old LED strips. Woo. No brakes. Oh yeah, a little pop. Oh yeah. Yep. There's a pop there. There's a good pop there. And the brakes. Wow. The brakes work.